All right, so similar to my last video, hold on, just a little smudge here. Much better, I think. All right, so I received my package last night. This is the actual light bar, obviously. It's the OPT7. It's a 60-inch light bar, not sponsored. And I bought the harness. This is from Putco though. As you know me, from my last video with the fog lights, I don't like to splice and cut wires and whatnot. So that's why I decided to spend a few extra bucks and buy the harness too. Because this is a simple plug and play. I don't mess with any soldering and I don't want to deal with all that. So let's make it very easy, plug and play, and forget about everything else. First, let's open the harness. There it is. And it's from Putco. Simple instructions. There we go. That's how you do it. All right, so this wire wires off to this connector. It's a 4-pin connector. There you go. And they also give you this little pigtail, I think it's called, so you can plug into the reverse light. I don't know if my truck has this female part to this. Either way, we'll figure it out in a minute. And these two connect to your tail lights. So this one plugs into the driver's side tail light, and then this one, or it comes in from the factory harness. Same thing with the passenger side. All right, that's that. Let's take a look at the light bar. Okay, first things first here, they send you, in case you want to splice into your existing wires. Okay. Wow, okay. So like I said, this is the 60-inch light bar. Oh, I guess they send you an extra 4-pin connector in case you want to hardwire this into your truck. Again, we won't be doing that, so this, I could just save it for another project if needed, but we won't need that. Look at that. They send you some straps in case you want to strap it onto the truck itself. Might use that, I don't know yet. But it does come with a adhesive backing. What's this? Adhesive booster. Okay, figure that out in a minute. All right, there it is. Look at that. 3-row lights. By the way, they do have the all red tail light bar. I bought the one with the amber option. I think it'll look better. Okay, the 4-pin connector. Let's get to the actual install. So this is my 2020 Silverado. Let's go ahead and install harness first. And instructions say that you gotta take the end with the yellow wire that belongs to the the driver's side. You then take the other end with the green wire, which is right there. It's kind of hard to see. Sorry about the noise. My neighbor decided to do his grass now. So you take the green wire end, and that's gonna go to the passenger side. So again, yellow driver, green is passenger, and that's how we're gonna wire it up. Let's get in here. So this is the driver's side. We are going to unhook this connector here by pulling this tab down. See a red tab? Just pulled it down. Then we press on the black tab. It's just right above the red tab, and just pull it down. Okay, there it is. So this is the truck harness, sending in the power. Plug in your harness right in here till it clicks. Pop in the red tab. Plug this in to the truck. Heard that click. All right. Once again, pop out the red tab and take it out there. Oh, this was much easier. Okay. Pop this bad boy in. Good. Snapped into place. And then take our other end, pop it in. There you go. Lock it in. I'll come back and do the zip ties, secure it in place. For now, I think we're all set. Next, let's install the light bar. Oh shoot. Say hi, Choco. Say hi. Good boy. Good boy.
Look at the crab.
Hey, Sophie.
Look at you.
Good girl. Where'd you good girl? Alright guys, you're on my way. Feed it. So the instructions say you have to install the light bar 5/16 or at least 1/4 off of those ridges there. And there's one on the driver's side over there as well. Now I tried fitting my hands in here and see if I could work it out, but in reality I guess it could be done, but it's gonna be a pain in the butt. So I'm just gonna remove the tailgate. Alright, first things first. We gotta remove these straps here. I have my daughter do it since she loves to help out.
Yeah, I do.
Go ahead.
Okay, where am I supposed to
Oh, sorry, this one. Put it nice and straight, Tim. And now, just take it off. Nice and slowly.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah. We're gonna do the next one. Job. Nice and slow. Whoa.
Oh, this is heavy.
Yeah. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead. That's good. That's good. Excellent. Thank you, Amelia.
Yeah. Okay. How do we take it?
So again, these are the ridges that I was talking about. So if you recall earlier, I showed you these little brackets. The instruction says you can either use the adhesive backing to attach the bar, the light bar, or you can use these brackets. The thing with these, they come with 4 self-tapping screws for each of these brackets. And so I think I feel more comfortable attaching these brackets than the adhesive. I'm pretty sure the adhesive will be fine, but I like to ensure that the light bar will be sufficiently held in place. And frankly, these brackets, they feel very solid, and so I'm gonna go that route. I've already marked it with a piece of tape at 4 spots. There, and there's one more at the end. Punch at least a mark of where the hole will go. All right, just did that one. Feels pretty solid, not going anywhere. Now let's do the next one. I'm not sure if it's showing through the camera, but it's there. The screw, self-tapping screw, put it right through the hole, drive it in. Okay. There it is. 2 more. All right, all 4 brackets are in place. All right, the next step is, obviously I won't be taking off the adhesive back, so I'll just mount it and put tailgate back on and do the final connection, do the zip ties, and we'll be good to go. There it is, folks. Light bar. Boom. Guys, let me show you this. You can see, just installed the tailgate, strapped it in, and I want to show you that the light bar, as I start closing it, you can see that it does not interfere with the tailgate opening or closing. See that? Nothing. Complete clearance. Can't even see it in there. There it is. The 4-pin plug will plug into the Putco harness. The Putco harness also comes with this white cable, which is for the light bar. However, as you can see, the light bar tip does not have a pigtail for me to connect directly into this. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna use these here. What it does, it cuts into both wires, making a solid connection. Put it back in park. All right, it's not that dark yet, but should get the visual.
Yep. Okay. He's going in his little truck.
Alright everyone, first impressions. What did I like and dislike about this light bar? Actually, check it out. What's there not to like about it? It's pretty awesome. It looks amazing and just works as intended. Overall, it was easy to install. It took me an hour and a half from start to finish, and that was with a beer break in between. As you can see, it has a ton of LEDs right next to each other, which when you stand from a distance makes it look like one solid line, and that's pretty cool. Versus the cheaper models that you'll find on Amazon, they have LEDs 1 inch or 2 inch far apart, and they just look very cheap, and I didn't want that. What I have here, that's the look I was going for, and it certainly didn't disappoint. Of course, it has the amber lights for the turn signals and a super white bright light for the reverse. And also a huge plus is that having this extra light bar when the reverse light is thrown on, man, it just increases the visibility on the rear view camera. Dislikes, really, there are none. Actually, I'm lying. There is one, just the one minor complaint. The wiring did not have the pigtail connector for the reverse light. That's about it. It was no big deal. I ended up finding an alternative method to connect that to the harness itself. So no big deal. Speaking of the harness, 2 thumbs up. Easy plug and play, no big deal, no fuss, no muss, nothing. It's working perfectly. Now, I am gonna leave links in the descriptions for these 2 products, which is the light bar and the harness, so you guys can go check it out. So yeah, hope you found this video helpful, and once again, thanks for watching everybody. Stay tuned for the next one.